Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how to make explosive videos. So these videos are the ones that are used by Google, by Apple, by every phone product, car product, or even lotion products, right? So they can be used anywhere. You can use them for aids, you can use them to make websites. But as for today, we're gonna talk about how you can use them to create aids, high quality aids that you can post on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, on any social media, right? So let's get into it. Right, so what do you need? So first thing, you have to go to a browser, you have to go to Chrome, and what we need to look for an application called Whisk. So you just say Whisk, right? Whisk is an AI platform that has been developed by Google itself. Google developed Whisk, right? Is a product for image generation. It allows you to try images, to generate multiple images, right, with accuracy, with precision, and with high quality, right? So Whisk, let's get into it. Right, so this is what you're gonna see at first, right? You're gonna see this and then you're gonna click enter to, right? So obviously if it's your first time, you have to sign in with your Google account, Apple account, whatever. When you get into the platform of Whisk, this is what you're gonna see. This is the interface. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna create an explosive video for Lamborghini. So what we need to have or to look for a Lamborghini product, right? So it's very important to start with the product, to look for the product that you want to animate, right? So let's just go and grab a product anywhere from Google, right? So Lambo, so just Lamborghini, right? Lamborghini car images, right? Let's just search, right? Which one looks the best? Right, I think this one looks good. This one looks good. So what we just need is to save this picture, right? Let's just say Lamborghini, like that. So once a picture is saved, you need to upload it in Whisk, right? You just come here back and you go to you click this button, add images, right? So the good part of Whisk is that you can generate your own image from text to image, or you can upload your own image. For this scenario, we are going to upload our own image, right? So let's select the image that we have. This is the image, right? Good, right? So we begin to analyze the image. After it analyzes, it gives you this go to sign, right, that it is done. So after the image has been uploaded, what we now need is prompt. So guys, I think you now know that now what is the design fuel is prompt. The good, the prompt, the good, the result, right? So don't worry, I got you covered, right? I'm gonna give you the description of what you need to do below in the details, right? So I already have created my own prompts here. So the first prompt that we need to refine this this picture. We need it to be of high quality, good background, right? So I have my prompts right here. So which you're gonna have, what you need to do is just to have this prompt. So this prompt is to create a frame, right? So we're gonna create a frame by whisk, right? Make sure that you are on landscape, right? And make sure that you are on precise referencing. This gives you a high quality, right? So whisk is good because it is going to generate multiple images. You can just twist the prompt and you can see the changes up until you get what you want to get, right? So let's wait a bit as we see how this works, right? So whisk is one of the best platform out there, so let's wait. Right, now we can see our beautiful images of Lamborghini, right? Are clear, well animated, sharp, and ready to go, right? So we can just choose which one we want to go with. I would love to choose this one. This one looks good for me, right? So what you need after you decide which car to go with, right? All you just need is to download that car. So you just click download here, right? And right, good, it is saved. So we now need to create another frame of this car. So the good part of Whisk, you don't need to re-upload it. All you need is to change the prompt, right? You just come here, right? And then we go with the prompt of the frame to copy, and then we paste, right? So the second time you generate is gonna be even more faster than the first time. That's how Whisk is, right? So the first time it takes time, don't analyze the images, you want to do all those things, but the second time is completely quite faster than the first time. So let's wait and see. Right, so you can see this is now our prompt right here. Our prompt is giving us this beautiful image. You can see how this Lamborghini is fragmenting into pieces, right? So obviously I would go and take this one. This one looks good. It looks good, but you can keep on generating up until you get the right image. You get it, up until you get the right image. So after our images are done, what we need to do is to now go and create the video. How do you create the video? What do you need to create the video? To create a video, you need to use a model of video generation called Veo. Veo is one of the best video generation out there, right? So where do you find Veo? You go to what we call Flow. So you just say Flow Labs. So Flow Labs is another Google platform again that focuses on creating videos, right, by Veo, right? And you can join multiple scenes, right, and create a good stunning video, right? So this is what you call Google Flow, right? This is what you're gonna get for the first time, right? So you just say, you start by create with Flow. You just click like that, right? So if it's your first time, obviously you need to sign in with a Google account, Apple account, whatever, right? So when you get into the platform, what you need is to create a new project. You need to create a new project, right? Make sure you wait, it loads, right? And then you create a new project. Isn't it amazing? Right, so this is what you need. Create a new project like that, right? So once you click create a new project, you're gonna get into the interface of Flow. So to get a high quality video, right, you can get it, yes, VO is very good because it also puts the audio and the voice, whatever. But what I want you to understand is that these videos, right, they only are aired up to 8 seconds. 8 seconds is the maximum for VO, right? So to get a high quality video, you need to use frames. Frames are the best way if you want to get a high quality video that you want. So you change from text to video and you go to frames to video, like that. So you need to now select the frames, right? So let's select our frames, those pictures that we have downloaded. So easily you just say upload, like that. So it's going to go to your local, obviously local disk, and then we're going to select those images that we have generated, right? So just like that, right? We click this one, right? So once this one is clicked, right, what you need is that you just need to crop, right, and save. Crop and save. Right, once it is done, all you need to do is to add another frame, the last frame. So let's add the last frame. You upload, right? So this is our frame right here. You click crop and save. Right, so you can see that our frame has been added correctly, right? 2 frames. This is going to be our starting frame, this is going to be our ending frame, right? So after this is done, what I need is now to go to create a transition, right? So you use this last prompt for the transition. You just copy the prompt and you paste it right here, just like that. Right, so let's now make some changes here. So after you click this, you need to change. You just go here, right? One, make sure that it is landscape. Make sure that we use VO fast. So for this, let's use VO fast, but you can use VO quality, right? But it will take more credits for you, obviously. Right, after you add, let's see if it can download. Right, so it's now generating the video. Let's wait a bit and let's see the outcome. Right guys, so our video is now ready. Our video is now ready. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at our video. So all you need now, after this is done, clear and complete, right? So let's take a look. Right, look how beautiful it is. Right? So after you do this, you just download your video. So you can upscale it to 4K. You can upscale it to 1080. But for this video, let's just go to 720. Right? Right. So I hope you liked the video. If you like the video and you have learned something today, right, you can help me to create more of this video by just clicking subscribing and that notification button. Thank you so much. See you next time.